Yeah, you were
right
going
there,
up there.
I got it up to like
higher than what he goes.
8,000, and then I grabbed a gear and shifted, and I looked back, I'm like, oh shit, we're smoking. I'm like, that ain't tire.
Yeah, no.
Okay, and then I start smelling oil. I'm like, I know what the hell this is gonna be. It's gonna be an oil pressure switch. What? Why? Just. So thanks for the 1,000 subscribers, guys.
Hey, windows up. Smoking.
Stay.
No, it's not. It's smoking. It's smoking like right next to the transmission under.
Anybody got a flashlight?
No. My phone.
Not even fucking bullshitting.
Is that better than
The oil pressure switch is pissing oil in the Yep. It's pissing oil right now as we speak. This car consistently blowing oil pressure switches.
I don't know.
Were you the last one that put it on there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I was about to say something mean.
Can you limp it home to your house?
Why is the chronicles of this car just shitting on my soul, dude? This is the second fucking time, guys.
Thanks
So,
for putting the e-brake.
Remember when we did this the last time on YouTube? Y'all seen the video? We're about to do this shit now for the second time, and this time it was me. Were y'all recording when I did that?
No.
Oh, dude, God. You are just the most spiteful bitch I've ever met in my life. You know that?
She's pissed.
You know what? Fuck this car, Jose. I'm about to burn it myself. You know what? I hope it catches on fire on the way back. I'm gonna do the John Wick tuck and roll out this bitch.
So, how much is the sensor?
I don't know. What was the sensor last time, Jose? Like
40, 50 bucks, maybe?
And a 12-pack?
Dude, I don't understand why this thing keeps blowing oil pressure switches like that. And it seems like it's only under high RPM.
Yeah,
Because
you were going up there.
I got it up to like
higher than what he goes.
8,000, and then I grabbed a gear and shifted, and I looked back, I'm like, oh shit, we're smoking. I'm like, that ain't tire.
Yeah, no.
Okay, and then I start smelling oil. I'm like, I know what the hell this is gonna be. It's gonna be an oil pressure switch. What? Why? Just. So thanks for the 1,000 subscribers, guys. Tune in next time when we actually fix this just trilogy of shit with this car. I'm gonna catch your car on fire.
So much for that burnout.
Yeah, hey, no, we did a burnout. It was a rolling one. God.
Hey, maybe it's just loose.
Loose as ass. It's blown out.
It was
down
tight
the
in there. We made it tight.
Maybe it's loose.
So I figured out whatever we're gonna do, I'm gonna record before we get there.
What's that?
Anything what we do, like with us, for something.
Yeah, this would have been, if you were filming as we pulled out and we made that pull and it went poof. Oh, dude, this would have been, what a better way to thank all 1,000 subscribers for fucking looking at the trilogy of this just buck-toothed beavered worm.
What about the 650?
Huh?
What about
The 650 don't act up like this.
That's true.
I don't know if they would fit.
You can try.
I don't think they would fit. I honestly, I don't think the backspace
Burning
is
daylight if you were trying.
That's what I'm saying. It would take so damn long to.
You gotta drive this to work tomorrow.
I don't think we're driving it anywhere to work tomorrow, John or Jose boy, because it's not getting tires put on tomorrow. It needs to be repaired at this point, Bubba. It's broken. Remember that one time when you were on the way and we were doing the same shit?
Do you have oil?
Huh?
Do you have oil at the house?
For this?
Yeah.
No. I don't have GT. I mean, I may work on GT350s and
I may have some. So here's what we might do. You can get it to your house.
Oh, we can get to the house. I'm just.
I'll see if I've got some at the house. Bring it back. Bring it to you. Then you take this to work tomorrow, and I'll see about finding a sensor.
Bubba, oil is fucking flammable.
We got to get it to your office.
Once the sensor blows, idling, it's going to be dropping oil out of it. Period.
Like I did before.
So remember, this is an $80,000 car. We're not going to jeopardize it by driving it with a blown out oil pressure switch to the work.
Don't exacerbate the price.
Don't masturbate my throat, all right? 'Cause we're not doing this. Kinky, huh?
That's gonna be the front.
You broke it.
I didn't
guess what?
break shit. This car is just a bastard. Why is it always? It's this one. It's you know what? It's the buck-tooth worm curse. I think you need to get rid of it.
John, can you actually see if it's leaking?
Homie, there's oil dripping. Is there a nice puddle right in the center where it was before, John?
No, there's nothing.
Poor shit.
There's nothing.
John, it's literally, I'm staring at it right now.
Bullshit.
And it's dripping out of this damn thing.
Oh yeah, I see that right there.
Oh yeah. Goddamn Kermit does have eyes.
Well, that was like it was, you know, in the shade.
Dude, I've never hated a fucking Mustang as much as I hate this car in my fucking life.
Let's get her home.
It sure.
Getting it all over the truck.
Well, we have to get some special shampoo just to take that shit off. That thing's just fucking pissing oil. That's what you get when you have nice cars to say.
Son of a bitch.
Oh, dude, it's fucking pissing. Oof.
Oh yeah, you see it?
Yes, yeah. Thought that was a fucking tar that's on the road, but it's not. Yeah, probably is too low.
Well, guess what? She's getting a new oil change.
She sure is. And what old fucking oil.
Hear that shit? No.
Smoking really bad right when you guys were.
You can see the whole fucking stream.
Yeah.
Going down the highway.
Yeah. So when you leave, you're gonna see, hey, we know that.
You thought it was tar, but it's not tar.
No.
For the love of just all things shit! Tell me there's not a 350R to a 350 part number difference in an oil pressure switch on that car.
I don't know.
Google Pro, please. Because there's only one thing I'm thinking of here. That car can rev out to that, not being an R, but if there's a difference like in a regulator, like the part number's not supposed, because that's a 350R engine and a 350. So we need a 350R oil pressure, because it did the exact same fucking thing it did last time.
Yeah.
Only thing I can think of right now is it's got too much RPM, and the pressure sensor's got like a check valve in it that it can't handle, and it blows the sensor out. So something's got to give, because my nerves with this car. I'm telling you, YouTube, y'all don't understand. The day I met that damn thing, it was cool and dandy and all. I told this man, don't mess with it. Just drive it. Collect it like a 350 owner should do. He didn't. He twin turboed it with like 1,500 miles on it. Then he takes it to Texas 2K, and I told him when he was leaving the day before, you're gonna blow that car up if you take it to Texas 2K. Guys, take a guess what happened. Not only did he blow it up, he split the block in 2 pieces, okay? I have met that car since day 1, and it's been an asshole since today. Like today, years old, it's still a dick. And it's my problem.
Shows to be the same.
You show to be the same.
That's what it says.
But at least this time he didn't break it. I actually broke it. But like I said to y'all, and it didn't, I guess the channel didn't hear, but good thing we didn't do what we were going to plan on doing for our 1,000 subs video, because
Spoiler alert.
yeah, because let's just say we wouldn't have known this was happening, because when unfortunately you look over to the left, she gets put on the back burner yet again for a video drop because of you. Yeah, here we go again. Yeah, so stick around guys, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.